Hi, I'm Dan, and I've nominated Ferndale Youth Club for Youth Club of the Year.
We've worked really hard to make it an inclusive and safe space.
It's a brilliant youth club to work in. There's over 100 young people coming here at this moment in time.
We've also got a huge diverse range of young people, and everyone really loves being here. And
I genuinely believe that Ferndale is more than a youth club. I believe it's a community, and young people absolutely adore attending this place.
This youth club is the best because I like to see my friends and youth groupers. I like the football, the pool, the entertainment, the games.
Like this craft table.
Yeah, the craft table.
That's good, yeah. Yeah.
I come up here to see my friends.
And the thing I like about youth is the work as a worker.
They're really nice and beautiful.
And they care about us whenever we have problems.
And whenever we need help, they're always there so we can talk to them.
I see lots of friends and I get to meet them.
They have good football, rugby and basketball and that.
Even though it can be a bit chaotic because it's so busy, it's the best place to work.
as a worker, I love working with these young people, some of the best young people I've ever worked with.
They're a brilliant bunch.
And good luck to everyone. I hope we win.
Good luck, Ferndale. You deserve everything. I hope you win.
Whether you win this award or not, I truly believe you deserve it, and I love every moment spent with you. Good luck.